So this is 2016 question 2 on paper 1. So you've got the complex number of Z1 and Z2. So they're asking you to find Z3. So Z3 is made up of Z1, which is 1 plus 3i, plus twice the value of Z2, which is 2 minus I. So 1 plus 3i doesn't need to be multiplied by anything. We need to multiply 2 by 2, which is 4, and then 2 by minus I, which is minus 2i. And then you just gather your reals, so 1 and 4 is 5, and then 3 minus 2i is just 1i. So that's 5 plus I. That's the value of Z3. So plot Z1, Z2 and Z3 on the given diagram. So Z1 is 1 across and then 3 up. So that's Z1. Z2 is 2 across and 1 down. And then Z3 is 5 across and 1 up. For part C, you've got the modulus again. So modulus formula is the square root of a squared plus b squared. So we have to do Z2 minus Z3 first. So Z2 is 2 minus I. And then you take away Z3, which is 5 plus I. So 2 minus I minus 5 minus I. So 2 minus 5 is minus 3. And then minus I is minus 2i. So we need to find the modulus of that. And then we need to do the right hand side. So that is Z1, which is 1 plus 3i. And we have to add Z2, which is 2 minus I. So that's just 1 plus 3i plus 2 minus I. So that gives you 1 plus 2, which is 3. And 3i minus I is 2i. So then you just find the modulus of each one. So minus 3 squared plus minus 2 to be squared. So that's 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4. So that's the square root of 13. And then we have 3 squared here. And here we have 2 squared. So that's 9 plus 4. So that's 13 again. So here you can show that they are equal. For part D then, they're asking to find the complex number W such that Z1 is equal, such that W is equal to Z1 over Z2. So you need to find what Z1 is, which is 1 plus 3i. And then you find what Z2 is, which is 2 minus I. Okay, so you get marks just for subbing it in. Then you need to find the conjugate is 2 plus I. So the conjugate of 2 minus I is 2 plus I, because you just change the imaginary sign. And then all you need to do here is top by top, bottom by bottom. So we're going to do 1 plus 3i multiplied by 2 plus I. So that's 1 by 1, which is 2. 1 by I, which is 1i. 3i by 2, which is 6i. And 3i by I, which is 3i squared. So remember that I squared is minus 1. So here we have 2 plus 7i plus 3 times minus 1. So we have 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. So that's minus 1 plus 7i. So that's just the top. Then you need to do the bottom. So here you have 2 minus I by 2 plus I. So 2 by 2 is 4. 2 by I is 2i. Minus 1i by 2 is minus 2i. And minus I by I is minus I squared. So that's 4. These cancel out. Then you have minus 1i by minus 1. So that gives you 5. So then you just put them together. So minus 1 plus 7i over 5. And that's equal to W. And that's it.